Balance 204L Silver Metallic continues the brand's momentum by merging performance cues with a futuristic fashion appeal. Evolving from earlier suede-based designs, this pair shifts into a runner-inspired build, featuring layered construction and sleek chrome accents. Contrasted with off-white tones and jet black hits across the outsole, heel, and end logo, the design balances boldness with refinement. Riding on the hype of slim-soled sneakers and past collaborations like the Miu Miu New Balance 530, the model builds anticipation as a viral contender. With its technical aesthetic, the shoe underscores New Balance's strength in crafting silhouettes that fuse innovation and style. Scheduled for release on September 1 at $130, it is already generating buzz as a potential sellout. Positioned at the intersection of fashion-forward design and athletic influence, the 204L Silver Metallic signals the brand's intent to keep defining sneaker culture.